Alright, so this is a quick step to creating meme coins on Phantom Wallet. We want to connect to Radium site. Click on this search button, then you type Radium. You click on Radium site, the Radium DeFi. Okay. The next step is for you to connect your wallet. You click on Connect Wallet. Okay. So choose the wallet you want to use. I want to use Phantom for this. There are some other ones here. I click on Phantom. So as you can see, it's connected successfully. So next is for you to go back to the screener. Before then, you must have watched the previous videos where we talked about how to use the desk screener to search for the right meme coins, because there are so many fake ones, so you need to get the right one. So here, for the purpose of this recording, I'm going to use this second one, baby grok. So as you can see, it was just launched 33 minutes ago, and the market cap is still 138k. So let's use it for this. You click on the contract to copy the contract address. So this is the baby grok. You click on the contract address. Yeah, it's copied. We'll return to Phantom Wallet. We come to from Solana to click on to and then paste the contract address you just copied and search. Okay, so look at the baby coke has appeared. You click on baby coke. Okay, so the baby coke crook is here. You need to have funded this account so you have enough Solana to do the swap. You place the amount of Solana you want to use, and then you click swap. Okay, the next thing you need to check before you swap is to check the slippage. You can select the slippage at 1. That is the gas fee for this transaction. You can leave it at 1. You can leave it at 0.5. Just whichever one that it can tolerate. As soon as you're done, you just click swap and it buys it for you. All right, thank you.